guys, I'm Skylar. I'm the head chef here at White Labs Kitchen and Tap, and today we're going to be making an IPA barbecue sauce for any sort of grilled meats that you want to do. Today we're using chicken, but it would be great on ribs too. So here we go. First, we're going to let some of these more sugary ingredients caramelize in the pot. So first, we're going to add molasses. Got a little brown sugar. Let those ingredients combine a little bit, get a nice caramelization going on. And once you start to see a little bit of bubbling, we're going to go ahead and add some of our chilies. So we have red pepper flake, smoked paprika, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. We let those combine, maybe 30-40 seconds. And then now we're going to add our garlic powder, onion powder, and ketchup. We're going to let these simmer together for a little bit and reduce. Make sure all these flavors combine really well. At that point, we're going to go ahead and add our Tabber 008 IPA. About 3 ounces worth. Save a little bit for yourself too if you want. We're going to let that reduce just a little bit. Just a nice low simmer. We don't want to let it cook too hard or else some of the ingredients in there may burn. So just make sure to keep it down. So the last ingredients that we're going to add, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of Worcestershire, and yellow mustard. Just going to stir those in, and we'll go ahead and cut the heat off. That way we still save some of that spicy aroma. So our sauce is done. We're gonna go ahead and take that and put it on our grilled chicken or ribs. I would definitely recommend this for ribs. It'd be really awesome. We'll apply the sauce pretty generously. And then, assuming we still have our grill on, we're gonna go ahead and put the chicken back on the grill. That way we can further caramelize the sauce. That way it'll stick to the chicken, it'll kind of soak into the skin and keep it nice and juicy. And have a beer for yourself.